channel. Today we're going to be making banana bread. If you're interested, keep on watching and like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so when I make a next video, you won't miss it. So to make banana bread, this is what you're gonna need. Bananas, butter, chocolate chips. If you want, you can use nuts or anything else, or you don't have to use anything. Sugar and brown sugar and flour, eggs, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Let's get making our banana bread. Ask a parent to preheat your oven for 350 degrees. Now we're going to butter our bread loaf pan. Wiped our hands, we're going to wash our hands. Now we're going to put butter, sugar, and brown sugar. First we're going to put a little bit of butter. I don't want to make my hands messy again. Now we're going to put some, sugar. Sugar. All of it. If you like, you can use. And now we're going to use brown sugar. A lot of sugar, guys. Hands could get a little messy. Don't worry about that, because that's what chefs do, get messy. Because what they always do at the end is wash their hands. Next, we're gonna mash the bananas. If you have a banana cutter or something, you can use that, but we are going to use a fork because we don't have one of those. Oh. Mix the egg whites and the egg yolks, and then we're going to put the bananas in the big bowl. First, we're going to add the egg in the big bowl, then we're going to add the banana in the big bowl. Now we're going to mix everything. crunchy bananas in there, but it'll melt once we put it in the oven. Now we're going to add the dry ingredient. We're going to add the flour. A little bit at a time. A little bit at a time if you like. I'm just going to dump all of it in there. Hands might get messy. Again. Mix it. If you add a bit too much flour, it might be hard to mix. Now we're going to add the baking soda. When I was little, I thought you can't eat baking soda because it's only for experiments. Now we're going to add a pinch of salt. Looks like a pinch. And now we're going to add the cinnamon. That's mixed, guys. It smells good. It smells like homemade oatmeal. Then we're gonna add the vanilla extract and then the chocolate chips. Don't eat the batter because it has raw eggs in it. That's so cool. Chip time. Yum, yum. Mix now. Put our mixture in our pan. Well, if it's too heavy for you or you don't want to do it, ask the parent for help. This is our pan that we buttered earlier. Put it in the oven so we don't get burned. So now that it's in the oven, we're going to leave it in there for 1 hour. Hey Alexa, set a timer for 1 hour.
1 hour, starting now.
Time to clean up our mess. Close the dishwasher. banana bread is ready. And then, so I have 2 judges. My dad, say hi to the folks.
Hey, people.
And my sister,
Ooh,
say hi to
smells
the
so
folks.
good.
Hi. So let's eat some banana bread.
Okay.
Mine.
Who's gonna try first?
Me.
I
You.
can't take it.
Whoever wants to try
Okay,
first.
I'll try this one.
So we got all the banana breads. Now we're each gonna take turns eating them.
3, 2, 1.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Hey, like banana.
You add chocolate in it, right?
Hey guys, before we continue, soon we're going to be doing maybe soon we'll start playing games on this channel. And most will be maybe we can do some hide and seek videos soon. So what do you want? Let's
Do it in the comment.
So
Type in.
Juliet, what do you have in there?
Type in like this. If you like this, if you like banana bread, click the notification bell, subscribe, and like.
It's really good. So you added chocolate and what else?
Bananas, salt, baking soda, brown sugar, white sugar.
soda?
It's really, really
Baking
nice.
soda.
Baking.
Oh, it's my turn.
Yeah, go ahead, Sophie. Your turn. Sophie hasn't tried yet, guys.
I'm eating one.
Hey, I'm ready. But I never tried.
Sophie is picky. She doesn't like to try new things. So we're proud of her that she's trying this.
It's really good.
Sophie, do you like it?
Yes, I do. No. Now that we all ate in our banana bread, it's time for the judges' responses. Let's see what the judges think. Daddy, you go first since you ate first.
What, you want to know what I think
I
of
did
this?
first. I did first.
Okay, you want me to go first or you want to go first?
No, you
Well,
go.
it's your cake. You cook the cake, so.
It's not a cake.
I have to-
It's banana bread.
Banana bread, right? You cook this banana bread, so I have to judge it. I think it's 10 out of 10. Good job, Juliet.
No, it's 1 out of 1.
1 out of 1. Okay.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna keep it a million thousand, million thousand, million thousand, million.
I love it.
Million thousand, million thousand out of million thousand, million.
Good job, Juliet.
Thousand.
Look,
Mommy, you want to get some?
you got a big fat
I already tried it. Thank you. I loved it. 10 out of 10, Juliet.
Yeah,
5 stars.
Juliet, what else are you cooking on this channel?
banana, spaghetti,
What is coming up?
noodles, banana, pancakes, spaghetti, noodles.
Let's go check Amelia. She's eating too. Let's go check her out.
What do you think? What do you think?
Amelia.
You're watching the Olympics.
She is slowly eating hers over here. Quietly eating it. What do you think?
She doesn't like the.
That's not what you want to watch, is it?
She likes
How did you get here?
What is it? What is she
She's
watching?
watching the Olympics.
Oh, she's watching the Olympics.
There you go. How did you get there?
All right, Amelia. What do you think? Did you like
She's
it?
enjoying her.
Say yes or no. She said no.
She's enjoying her banana bread.
She said no.
But she's enjoying it. She did eat it.
Alright guys, it was so delicious. Subscribe to the channel.